Okay, so hopefully you've had a quick look at that video with the annoying American guy about Socratic questioning. Okay, so what is it? Basically, it's a learner-centered approach. So rather than you going, here's all the answers, this is what I think, you're basically coaxing the answers out of the learners or the athletes themselves. It's a lot more motivating than just being stood there and having someone dictate to you. Okay, so it challenges you as a coach to develop critical thinking skills and engage in analytic discussion, but also encouraging the same in your learners. Because even though they're giving you the answers, you still need to kind of know them yourself to be able to discuss them in any depth. Okay, so we're encouraging independent learning and thinking. Okay, which again is supposed to be useful under pressure. Can it be applied to coaching? Yep, so feedback should be used to encourage exploration of learning strategies, but not to prescribe movement solutions. So we can use sensory feedback from the performer and augmented feedback from the coach, okay, but you're not prescribing movement solutions. So like we said last time, it's not just about dribbling around cones and here, do a scissors here or a Cruyff turn here. It's allowing them to solve the problem and come up with the answer themselves. Okay, so there's a little document there on Padlet, which goes into a bit more detail. Okay, but it would look something like this. Questions for clarification. What does that mean? Why do you do that? How does this relate to our discussion? Maybe how does this relate to a bigger game? Probing questions. How can we verify or disapprove that? What basis do we think, or why do we think this? Probing reasons about viewpoints, perspective, probing implications, and questions about the question. So why did I ask you these questions? So the point is not necessarily these questions as being standard, but examples of how you can maybe use questions in your own coaching rather than giving the answers.